I will say that the devil is a liar.
He's a bumble.
Devil is a bastard.
Devil don't know Jesus' children.
He's a bastard.
Devil don't know Jesus' children.
Devil is a bastard. I've experienced different type of shege since the beginning of this week, but somebody say power. Somebody say the working wonder of God's power. You guys, I think I need to do a proper sit down video and tell you guys why all these attacks left, right, center. But this is me heading to this Idumota Market today with Chacha Baby, and a big nail punctured into my tire. Like, it deflated the tire. And you know what? They kept flagging me down, but I was like, this Lagos, I'm not going to stop for anybody. Eventually, I parked where it was safe, and I saw that a big nail had punctured my tire. I was like, oh my God. Devil, you are a liar. You are trying Jesus, baby. I will continue to rebuke and reject you. But anyways, guys, welcome back again to the channel, and welcome back again to Wholesale Sports. Welcome back to Lagos Idumota Market. Let's go and shop provisions for the month. You guys, this is me just taking it slowly, concentrating on my drive and heading into this market, because what my eyes have seen, my mouth cannot tell it all. How are you guys doing? I see that you guys really enjoy my market vlog, especially my diaspora followers. You guys, my labor woman was telling me of a lady that reached out to her from Canada. She bought a lot of things for the lady, and then the lady actually even transferred something to her. Thank you so much. This is how far, just doing YouTube can take you. But anyways, I got to the market here, UBA car park as usual, and it is time to pack. One thing I would say is that I don't know what has been happening in Balogun market, but it has been so full. You literally would take your tickets to park and you will not see anywhere to park at all. I just don't know what has been happening.
Good afternoon. Fine, thank you, darling.
When I tell you guys that there was no parking space in this market today, and this is like the third time I am coming to the market and no parking space. But anyways, I found a way to park. You guys, you will not even believe where I parked. It was so tight. But this is me just coming out of the car. Hey guys, you guys. Hey, to get to this market today, who told you? To get to this market today, see Chacha Baby there, they tell me say my bum cannot pass one small place. To get to this market today, hey, is that I love going to market. In fact, I love coming to market. But you see, I want to tell you, say your bum big pass, but you know they creep. See, you should see. Coming to this market, tire, nail entered into my tire. We had to stop for me to fix it. When we were fixing it, Aberos, they came. Hey God, Aberos, they came and started staging their normal usual Lagos fight. Oh, come on for here. You want to see their phones? You want to see the people that are fighting? People that are telling anybody come on for here that you are thinking they are fighting for you. It's a lie, oh. They are fighting for themselves, so they also want to steal your things, so you have to run away with speed. After that one, get to the market. There's nowhere to park. If you see where I even parked, this market is that I love coming to market and I love creating market content. But anyways, guys, welcome back to Wholesale Sports. I am heading into Idumota Market right now, and I hope you guys would enjoy watching. Let me show you guys the car park. It's so full. Come this side. See, it's so full, guys. It's so full. Even though there was no parking space, we still parked, and the family must eat this month. So this is us just walking into the market, and I'm going to look for my laboro woman. You guys, I saw these pretty dresses on the road. Before you start asking me for contacts, I don't know. I got to the guy I usually buy zobo leaf from with cinnamon and all of that. And you guys, something interesting happened in this scene. Just listen. Now they want to go back this time. Where your friend? What do you call this one?
Warm sugar.
Warm sugar.
Warm sugar.
If you look at what you go happen.
I'm sweetening up for sex.
For sex. Hey.
For sex. You want to sex your man.
You guys, you don't hear them. You want to sex your man in a sweet way. You lick this and your pillow will be sweet. Listen to this one they talk. Now 2 abi go take.
2 or 3.
2 or 3. Okay. You guys should not pretend like you did not hear what the man said though. If you want to sex your man and let it be sweet down there for him, you have to buy that thing and lick it. Lump sugar, abi warm sugar, whatever it is. But anyways, guys, I got to this onion guy and I bought 3 custard paints because onion has come down compared to the last time I went to the market to buy. Onion has really come down, so it's a great time to stock up. Though it's raining season right now, but try and just stock up and store it in the way you can store it. But yeah, my labor man is just trying to taxi the man to put Jara for me. We saw these mangoes when we were going and told her that we'll come back and buy from her. This is my customer, my provision customer. Yeah, and today I collected her contact for everybody that usually asks me all the time.
She don't go. She don't do holiday finish. She don't go. No, I don't dey sweat already. I never even start market.
Box, count that money, girl. Count it. My love, every time I call it, they ask, what is your name? What is your number? What will be your name?
My name is Teresa.
Teresa. Oh, yeah, call out your number.
My number is 091 31 27 8894. Should I go give me money?
Why did I go give you money?
Give us 1 roll of milk for this advert.
For this advert, where they advert. My love, you don't know say they advertise for them.
That's the one myself for the same year they fight customer for top WhatsApp. What they call us?
YouTube. YouTube.
Thank you.
The kind customer where I go bring come, you don't even know.
Customer Timothy me and
And my
customers. My customers, my international customers. You know
Thank
them.
you.
Mommy, you there? Fab biscuits. Yeah. Give me Fab. There's a guy I used to buy Fab biscuits from, but usually he used to cheat me, so I just forgot about him and stuck with this lady. But anyways, I found this wholesale place where you sell like Ribena and all, because the rebagging in this market is a lot, so shine your eye. I bought Ribena from this lady and it's the authentic one. I moved over to my lady where I buy my cleaning items from to start packing everything from me, from the Viva to the Hypo to everything. We are just started shopping because I did not intend to waste time in this market today. You guys, Viva forever. But anyways, I now entered into the market to go and buy my ingredients, my seasonings and other things that I usually buy from my lady. So I just went. I thought, see, this market is in and out. Because of the hassle in the beginning, I didn't want to waste time in this market today. So I told her to start packing the things for me, the oil, the seasoning cubes and other things. Golden Terra, 4.
What do they buy for?
4. At this point, I was done buying. On my way out, you guys, this is what they call agege bread, the original agege bread. It was already filming so hot. I think the video is for the longer throat here, and then look at this hot moi moi. I didn't buy dough, but I said let me use that and do you for longer throat. It was just beside where I was buying agege bread. This man was doing moi moi, and then this woman, she sells cotonou fruits. So Chacha baby, I told you in the beginning, we said we're going to stop by and buy. She sells cotonou avocado, some of cotonou mangoes, and then German mangoes as well. These avocados are cotonou avocados, real butter avocado. I mean, I have eaten about 2 pieces because I bought as well. So I've eaten about 2 pieces. Well, here is my wasiu. I don't know whether wasiu they bleach oh. See wasiu belly. No people enter inside his shirt. But yeah. Wasiu. As I sit down for, don't be mommy matter. As I sit down for this car, I don't quench. I don't quench. Today I don't want to make you stress me at all. Might see the meat way. Which I be do well. Might see the meat way you bring for me. You
They see my face. Even my customers for market, they notice say, waiting the apple. You are no one may you stress me today. I don't take. Okay. Oh yeah.
I mean, 120. Now I won't tell you before.
This meat. Wait, don't go overcut.
Now 12,000.
Wait, don't go overcut. 120. 120. Wasiu. 120. Pack am 35. Wasiu, yeah. You see, say today I don't even get space to pack.
Now let me give me. Where is my yam now?
I won't even buy yam.
Let me call it for you.
I don't want you. I don't want your own.
You don't want to give me?
I don't want to give you. Wasiu, yeah.
Take on 85.
I not take.
I don't be 60.
I not take. Wasiu. Bele 65. Now me get load. My open boots. I pay help her. See, you don't want 1 million.
If you give me 10 million, I'll call it down.
You know what? See as your belly just the big. You they enjoy money. They chop am alone.
What do you mean? You don't like that. All along.
Now my money see am. No, come out and leave am. That one is strong. Come out that one. Make it not cut am too big. Oh. I know they do ceremony. Make it not cut am too big. No cut the yam. I don't want to buy yam from your hand. You don't leave the one way they sell now. Come they sell yam.
I know. I want you to know.
I don't know malt I want. Wasiu now malt I want.
Okay,
You better go boss. Yam. Bros na malt they buy for me. I know they drink your money man, no even sabi carry himself.
See, just arguing with Wasiu, I lost 2 kg. But anyways, heading back home. I'm back home here and trying to sort out the things that I bought. You guys, I bought these Mentos for 1,500 each. I love it, my favorite. And then Cocoa Peace Sweet was 1,500. Kellogg's Cornflakes was 2,500 naira. And Nutribomb was going for 1,700 naira. That's how much I bought it. Quaker Oats was going for 2,500 naira. Golden Morn was going for 4,000 naira. And I bought about 4 packs. You guys, peanut butter was going for 2,500 naira for one. Dano 123 was 4,500 naira and I bought half a carton. And Dano sachet milk was going for 1,200 naira and I bought about 5 rolls. Milo prices have changed because I bought a sachet roll of Milo for 1,800 naira. And you guys, I bought 5 sachets. I bought a sachet roll of 3 crown milk for 1,300 and I bought 5 sachets as well. You know, we are plenty in this house now. But I stuck to 3 crowns, so it's cheaper than, you know, my normal peak milk. And then I bought a carton of Ribena from the lady I told you guys about that sells wholesale, 3,800. Fab biscuits, 9,000 naira for a carton. My previous guy was selling me 11,000 naira. Sesame oil was 2,000 naira. Thyme was 700 naira. And chicken no was going for 2,900 naira. No beef was going for 2,900 naira as well. Chicken lasso was going for 700 naira a sachet. And my golden terra oil, 3,800 naira. I bought about 4 sachets. Chicken powder seasoning was going for 1,500 naira. Ducker's curry, my favorite of all time, was going for 1,500. Lassi salad cream, 2,500. Dusting powder, hey, I've transferred it to my children, 2,000 naira. You guys, I used to use this when I was a lot younger. Johnson & Johnson soap was 2,000 naira each. Viva waste bin nylon was going for 1,200 and I bought about 3 pieces. The smaller ones were going for 1,500 and I bought 1 roll of 4. Sweet's air freshener was going for 1,000 naira and I bought 3 different flavors because I really love them, especially when they are mopping my house and using it to clean. This is my favorite one, this Atlantic Breeze. Swiss window cleaner, I don't know what thing they happened today. It was 1,500, but they are having different colors.
I'm trying to find find out why they have 2 different colors. This one, sun don't beat up. This one still just come out fresh. Right? That's why I don't like to. I used to stay there till when they put all my things inside the carton. I don't understand these 2 colors. And they are the same thing, same price, same thing.
Let's continue. Hypo was going for 2,000 naira each, and I bought about 2. Mama Lemon Girl 1,800. You guys, I bought this toilet cleaner for the 3 you can see for 8,500 naira, and yeah, I bought the full pack of 3. And then 2 Sure hand wash was going for 1,200. Viva detergents was 1,700, and I bought different flavors. Morphix was going for 14,500 for the size 5 pants, and I bought just 1 pack. You guys, kitchen roll was going for 900 naira per one, and I bought half a dozen. That's 6. My full tissue was going for 9,000 naira, and this is rose tissue. Tomato is coming up. A custard paint was 6,000 naira. Potatoes were going for 3,000 for a custard paint of potatoes. Wow. You guys, look at the onions I was telling you guys in the beginning of this video. All this quantity is coming down 9,000.
All these onions, 9,000
of onions.
So I just chattered it. Though we still have more at home, onions is coming down though. We still have more onions at home, but it's best to buy now that it has come down and just store it. We'll bring the one we bought since up and
I want you to
let us put this down.
Okay.
So all this tatashe here is 1.5 bowl. 1 bowl of tatashe is 6,000, and then I bought half as well. So 9,000. So what is here is 18,000 naira. These things are coming up. Go and stock up. When I bought it in January, remember I bought a bag, I think for about 18k or so. It's now coming up. Tomato is now also 6,000 for a paint rubber. So go and stock up if you're in Nigeria, because it's about to get even tougher with tomato, tatashe and pepper. 4 seeds of rodo in the market, they were selling it for 500 or so. So please go and stock up. You know, you guys know that I always bring you guys food updates. So this particular one, go and stock up. I said let me stock up, and I still have about 5 big bowls from the ones we used in January. Don't worry, my children are just playing. So please go and stock up. So everything you can see here is 18,000 naira. And then I bought panla fish. All this panla fish that you can see here is 5,000. Fried rice is a staple in my home. So this carrot, all of it was going for 1,500. In fact, everything that you can see here, peppers are now very expensive, and all these bell peppers sold for 5,000. So everything you can see here is 7,000 worth of vegetables. Yeah. My children are just here enjoying themselves. They are building mountain with this thing. So I left this one for my Laboro woman to price, and guess how much she bought this pineapple. One of this pineapple is 3,000. You will never find it on the island here, never ever. In fact, it's small Cotonou pineapple that you will find for 2,000, and then this one was selling for 3,000. Everything here is 5,000. The pomo and the shaki is 5,000. All the meats today 35,000 naira. And then this is liver for 2,000. This liver is priced 2,000. We use it for our fried rice. If it's here, half like this. But this is 2,000. And all of this is 35,000 naira for Wasi. Wasi will say, Wasi told me that you could come to him when he wants to sell his normal price. People will say, but I watched it on Bonsi and you sold it for her 30,000. He said, now let me they give this price. So you guys, I need to shower, I need to have my bath, but thank you for coming along with me in this vlog. I will total everything that I bought, and I will put it in the description and also on the screen. I'll see you guys.